In this video, I am going to show you how to activate Emirates Nbd card. If you want to activate your Emirates Nbd card, then you will need to follow some steps. These are the options like mobile banking, online banking, and other options as you can see. So I go with the online banking. These are the steps you need to consider. To use this option, you need to have already registered for mobile banking. If you have not yet, you can register now. Through products. Log in into online banking. On the home screen, select the card or account and tap the image of the card. Then go to activate. Enter the expiry date mentioned on the card and click next. Set and confirm the new card pin and submit. You will receive an authorization on your mobile app to proceed with this request. Open the mobile app and slide to confirm. Enter your smart pass pin. A success screen will be displayed that your card has been activated. Don't know your smart pass pin or have not yet registered or smart pass. Reset your pin or register for smart pass now. Through services, log in into online banking. Click this icon on the navigation menu. Click apply for new service. Then go to prepaid slash debit slash credit cards. Then go to activate prepaid debit slash credit cards or search activate and select it from your search results. Then click the card you want to activate. Enter the expired date mentioned on the card and next. Set your new card pin and submit. You will receive an authorization on your mobile app to proceed with this request. Open the mobile app and slide to confirm. Enter your smart pass pin. Then a success screen will be displayed that your card has been activated. So if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.